Hi, my name is Elizabeth Carrillo, and I'm here to talk to you today about the business form that I believe our company, South Plains Attorneys, should become. As my partner, I hope by the end of this presentation that you will agree we should become a limited partnership. I believe that becoming a limited partnership is the best option for our specific company, as we will receive the benefits of a partnership without the liability. As partners, we will not bear the full liability of any of our firm's debts or legal obligations. We would each only be liable for the amount we invest into our firm. Also, we will not be held entirely liable for each other's actions as partners, unlike a general partnership. In a limited partnership, there are typically two types of partners: general partners and silent partners. Silent partners often have very limited liability within the company, and general partners tend to bear most of the liability as they cover more of the managerial aspects of the company. I come to you asking you to be the silent partner in this firm. This is very beneficial for you, as you will be solely liable for any capital contribution you would make towards the company. Another benefit of becoming a limited partnership is the minimal amount of paperwork involved. In Texas, in order to be classified as a limited partnership, we must only file a single extra registration form after filing as a general partnership. This lack of paperwork saves a lot of time and reduces the amount of stress of opening a new business. Limited partnerships also receive substantial tax breaks. As partners of South Plains Attorneys, we may pass our profits or losses to our own individual tax returns, which would mean we would not need to file a tax return for the firm itself. We would likely file tax returns and receive the percentage of profits or losses based upon our percentage of ownership in the company. There are many other business forms to choose from, but I do not believe any of them suit us as well as a limited partnership. For example, a sole proprietorship is not the best fit for us because we have already decided to be partners in this firm, and in a sole proprietorship there is only one owner. This sole owner is also forced to bear all liability for the company, which could result in huge amounts of personal debt. In a general partnership, partners are usually held entirely liable for the losses and debts of their company, as well as the debts of other partners involved. I believe this form represents too high of a risk for our law firm, and with a simple extra registration form, we could easily become a limited partnership with all of the benefits of a partnership without the liability. If we become a limited liability corporation, tons of paperwork would need to be processed. We would first need to complete our articles of incorporation, create a board of directors, and then hire a registered agent. Lastly, becoming a corporation would not work for us because of the many tax disadvantages. Corporations are considered a person in their own entity and are therefore taxed separately than the owners. However, often double taxation may come into play because the profits of the company are taxed at the personal level as well as the corporate level. The corporations must also pay its income tax before any dividends can be given out to shareholders. After looking at these many options for our law firm, South Plains Attorneys, I still believe that a limited partnership would be the best fit for our business due to the limited liability, tax breaks, and simplicity. After hearing all this, I hope that you would agree.